sun-kissed peaks, picturesque villages, and rivers tiptoeing through the swelling valleys, Himachal Pradesh is where the magic of nature unfolds. We mathematics optional of NSS Training College jubilantly takes you to have a look on tourism in Himachal Pradesh. Literally, Himachal means the land of snow. Situated in the western Himalayas, Himachal Pradesh has several hill stations which are the most appropriate destination to find respite from the scorching summer heat. Now known as a destination for all seasons and all reasons with so many incredible places. Host to Dalai Lama, Himachal Pradesh has a strong Tibetan presence. This is reflected in its Buddhist temples and monasteries as well as its vibrant Tibetan New Year celebrations. Kulu Manali. One of the best places to visit in Himachal Pradesh is Kulu and Manali. If you are on a lookout for fresh air and green mountains amidst the snow-covered ranges, then Kulu Manali indeed should be on the top of your list. You could indulge in adventure sports at Solang Valley, visit Manali Bird Sanctuary, go trekking, camping, angling and river raft in Kulu and could visit the old temples. Shimla, the capital of Himachal Pradesh, one of the most famous hill stations of northern India. Shimla, which is the right mix of Indian glory with British sophistication, it is consecrated stunning landscape and fresh climate all throughout the year. Without a doubt, it is one of the best tourist places in Himachal Pradesh. Fulfill your shopping desire at the Mall Road, enjoy a trek to Jaku Hill and a visit to Lord Hanuman's temple, try your hands-on polo. Dharamshala, the residence of Dalai Lama, famous not only because of its climate but also you get to see how multicultural Indian community lives in harmony with the Indo-Tibetan community. Enjoy a boat ride across the Dal Lake and witness the the Kangar Fort, pay homage to the Bahishnath temple dedicated to Lord Shiva and simultaneously enjoy the cascading Bagsu Falls. Kasauli, the getaway to Himachal. Kasauli is the perfect getaway from hustle and bustle of the city and is one of the most serene places to visit in Himachal in June. Almost on the outskirts of Punjab and Haryana, it is well connected by roadways. You could visit to the Anglican church which was built during the British era, enjoy a great stroll or a trek on the Lower Mall which leads to the Monkey Point which is in the shape of the Lord Hanuman's foot. A must-watch is the sunrise and sunset point where you can witness the most beautiful sky. Bir Billing. If you are an adventure seeker, Bir Billing is the mecca for adventure sports and it has to be on your list of the top Himalayan tourist places. Bir is a small village which is located on the western side of Himachal Pradesh and is blessed with some refreshing climate. Experience some adrenaline rush as you paraglide in the beautiful Himalayan valleys and camp amazing weather and safe surroundings. You could visit the Georgia's Buddhism monasteries and the Palambur Tea Cooperative where you can attend a free tour to see the tea making process. Trek to Heart's Delight. Known as the Little Israel of India in Himachal Pradesh, based in the Parvati Valley is this beautiful hill station called Castle. It's just on the way to holy town of Manikaran and is the best hill station in Himachal. Ideal for hiking in the jungle, follow the trails along the Parvati river. Trek to Kir Ganga is mesmerizing where you can experience the hot water spring. Parvati Valley is an ideal trail for trekking, also known as the Stoner's Paradise. Dalhousie, mini Switzerland of India. Dalhousie is another hill station in Himachal Pradesh which is ideal for de-stressing in the serene, tranquil troposphere. Away from the hustle bustle of the city life, sit back and enjoy the nature in Dalhousie. Experience the beauty of nature in the valley of Kajia, which is also known as the Switzerland of India. Visit the St. John's Church, the oldest church of the town. It is one of the best historical places in Himachal Pradesh. To complete your Himachali experience, you could pick up Tibetan handicraft and shawls from local markets, take hot momos, sidhu and stock up homemade fruit, wines, preserves and pickles. A minimal charming towns, landscapes, snowy retreats, lush valleys like. Pack up to have one.